If your Photoshop cursor is stuck as a crosshair, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in most cases, it takes just a second or two. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the cursor stuck as crosshair in Photoshop, step by step, so you can get back to editing without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump into the first and most common fix. The first thing you want to check is your caps lock key. Photoshop has a built-in shortcut that changes certain brush cursors into a precise crosshair. And if caps lock is turned on by accident, that can make it look like your brush circle disappeared completely. So look down at your keyboard and press caps lock once. Then move your mouse back over the Photoshop canvas and see if the normal brush circle comes back. In many cases, that one small step instantly solves the problem. It is by far the quickest fix, and it is often the reason the cursor suddenly changes without warning. If that did not fix it, the next thing to check is your cursor preferences inside Photoshop. Sometimes an update, a settings reset, or a preference change can cause Photoshop to display the wrong cursor style. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Cursors. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Cursors. Once the Cursors window opens, look for the Painting Cursors section. If it is set to Precise, that can make your cursor appear as a crosshair. Change it to normal brush tip or full-size brush tip depending on the look you want. If you want a clean brush circle without the crosshair inside it, make sure Show Crosshair in Brush Tip is unchecked. After adjusting the settings, click OK and go back to your canvas. This should restore the normal brush appearance. Now, if the cursor is still not showing correctly, the issue could simply be your brush size. Photoshop sometimes behaves strangely when the brush is set extremely small or extremely large, especially on high resolution or high DPI canvases. When the brush diameter is too tiny, Photoshop may have trouble rendering the full outline and may default to a crosshair style pointer. So check your brush size in the top options bar or in the brushes panel. A fast way to increase the brush size is to press the right bracket key, which is the pound key, a few times. As the brush gets larger, the circle should become visible again. If it was just a size issue, you will notice the brush footprint return right away. Let's do a quick recap so you can remember this easily. First, press caps lock to switch off the precision crosshair mode. Second, check your cursor settings and preferences and make sure you are not using precise mode unless that is what you want. Third, adjust your brush size because if it is too small or too large, Photoshop may show a crosshair instead of a normal brush outline. Those three fixes solve most cursor issues in Photoshop very quickly. If you are still having trouble after trying all three, it may help to restart Photoshop and check your workspace settings. But in most cases, one of these steps will fix it right away. The key is to start with the simplest solution first, because this issue is usually caused by a setting rather than a serious problem. I hope this video helped you fix the cursor stuck as crosshair in Photoshop. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more Photoshop troubleshooting tips, design tutorials, and beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.